So when I say like REM Spring literally like changed the game in easy facial hair removal, like it's genuinely changed my life. So not only did it get way more hairs than I thought it would get, but also my hairs grew in so much slower. Before, when I was shaving my face, plucking my face, the hairs come back in like 2 to 3 days. And then when I started using the REM Spring, the hairs were not growing in that fast. And I was like, oh my God, like I don't have to like maintain my face every day.
This for me has been amazing. Like it completely changed my whole methodology. Unlike tweezing, it's not as labor intensive or as time consuming. Because this actually can rip out multiple strands of hair at a time, it actually is pretty fast. It takes it up from the root. This is the most important part because I have used a lot of different methods like shaving and this, that, and the other thing, where it just kind of gets rid of the surface area hair, whereas this one, because it takes it out from the root, it makes it so that the hair grows back finer and finer over time. Can you see that little hair right there? So I just plucked that out of my face, even though my face is pretty smooth. And I think that's what's really impressive is even when your hair is very short, it'll still take it out. A stainless steel piece. I love that it's stainless steel because it's not gonna rust. You could even throw it in the dishwasher. I don't know why I'm pointing back there. I don't have a dishwasher, but you can. I use warm, hot, soapy water and then I let it dry out. It's all stainless steel. In fact, even on the little thing itself, it says stainless steel. So here's the methodology. You have it either like in a U or like this or whatever kind of shape works for you. You just have to like bend it a little bit because just straight on it won't really work because the coils are too tight, so you need to bend it a little bit. But what you do is, you can see I'm holding this one more or less in the same position and using this one to move and like twisting and pulling, and that's what pulls the hair out. It's genius.